Let's face it, nobody wants to wait months to see a difference in the mirror. The frustration of putting in effort day after day without seeing immediate results can be disheartening. We live in a fast-paced world where instant gratification is the norm, and our fitness goals are no exception. Whether it's for an upcoming event, a vacation, or just to feel better about ourselves, we crave quick and noticeable changes. We want results and we want them fast. The excitement of seeing progress can be incredibly motivating. Imagine the joy of fitting into clothes that once felt too tight or receiving compliments from friends and family about your transformation. These moments of validation can fuel our determination to keep going. Losing fat quickly is not just about fitting into that special outfit, it's about improving your health, boosting your confidence, and feeling your absolute best. Rapid fat loss can lead to significant health benefits, such as reduced risk of chronic diseases, improved cardiovascular health, and better mental well-being. When you feel good about your body, it reflects in your overall demeanor and interactions with others. The good news is, it's entirely possible to shed those extra pounds without crash diets or spending hours in the gym. Sustainable and effective fat loss strategies focus on balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and positive lifestyle changes. By making small, consistent adjustments to your daily routine, you can achieve lasting results without feeling deprived or overwhelmed. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore proven tips and tricks to accelerate your fat loss journey and help you achieve the body of your dreams in record time. From understanding the science behind fat loss to practical advice on meal planning, exercise routines, and mindset shifts, we've got you covered. We'll delve into the importance of setting realistic goals, tracking your progress, and staying motivated throughout your journey. Additionally, we'll discuss common pitfalls to avoid and how to overcome obstacles that may arise. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. So get ready to embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier, happier you. Let's dive in and discover the secrets to losing fat fast and keeping it off for good. You've heard it before, and you'll hear it again. Abs are made in the kitchen. When it comes to losing fat fast, diet plays a crucial role. It's not about starving yourself, but making smarter food choices that nourish your body and promote fat burning. Start by ditching processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive unhealthy fats. These culprits are loaded with empty calories and contribute to fat storage. Instead, focus on whole foods that are rich in nutrients. Fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains should be the staples of your diet. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables to ensure you're getting a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Hydration is also key. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your metabolism running smoothly and can aid in appetite control. Planning your meals ahead of time can make a huge difference. It helps you stay on track and avoid the temptation of unhealthy options. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how you eat. Enjoy your meals, eat mindfully, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Pairing a healthy diet with regular physical activity will maximize your fat loss efforts. Exercise helps to burn calories and build muscle, which in turn boosts your metabolism. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's jogging, yoga, or strength training, and make them a regular part of your routine. Don't forget the importance of rest and recovery. Getting enough sleep is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Managing stress is also important. High stress levels can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. Find ways to relax and unwind. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and stay motivated on your journey. Remember, the journey to fat loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself and stay committed to your healthy habits. With the right mindset and approach, you can fuel your fat loss journey and achieve your goals. Not all calories are created equal. While it's easy to think that a calorie is just a calorie, the truth is far more complex. The source of your calories can significantly impact your body's ability to lose fat, build muscle, and maintain energy levels throughout the day. To optimize your fat loss, it's essential to focus on your macronutrient intake: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Each of these macronutrients plays a unique role in your body. Understanding how to balance them can make a world of difference in achieving your fitness goals. Protein is your best friend when it comes to losing fat. It's not just about eating less, it's about eating right. Protein helps repair and build muscle tissues, which is crucial when you're working out regularly. It helps you feel fuller for longer, boosts your metabolism, and preserves lean muscle mass as you lose weight. When you consume protein, your body uses more energy to digest it compared to fats and carbohydrates, which means you burn more calories just by eating it. Include plenty of lean protein sources in your diet such as chicken breast, fish, tofu, or Greek yogurt. These foods are not only rich in protein but also low in unhealthy fats, making them ideal for a balanced diet. Diversifying your protein sources can also help you get a range of other essential nutrients. But don't forget about carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates are your body's primary energy source, especially during high-intensity workouts. Opt for complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which provide sustained energy and are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Healthy fats are equally important. They support cell function, protect your organs, and help your body absorb essential vitamins. Include sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your diet. These fats can also help you feel satiated, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Balancing your macronutrients doesn't have to be complicated. Start by planning your meals and tracking your intake. There are many apps and tools available that can help you monitor your macronutrient ratios and ensure you're getting the right amounts of protein, carbs, and fats. Remember, the goal is to create a sustainable eating pattern that supports your lifestyle and fitness objectives. By focusing on the quality and balance of your macronutrients, you can optimize your fat loss, enhance your performance, and improve your overall well-being. So, next time you think about calories, remember that macros matter. Make informed choices and your body will thank you. Embrace a balanced approach to nutrition, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your health and fitness goals. While diet is paramount, combining it with an effective workout routine can significantly accelerate your fat loss journey. Don't worry, you don't have to become a gym rat overnight. The key is to find activities you enjoy and can stick to consistently. If you're short on time, high-intensity interval training or HIIT is your new best friend. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise alternated with brief recovery periods. This method has been proven to be incredibly effective for burning fat, boosting metabolism, and improving cardiovascular health. Lifestyle love, little changes, big impact. Losing fat fast isn't just about what you eat and how you work out, it's also about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your goals. These changes don't have to be drastic. In fact, small, incremental adjustments can make a world of difference in the long run. Sleep, your secret weapon for fat loss. Believe it or not, quality sleep is crucial for effective fat loss. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased fat storage, especially around the abdominal area. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your fat loss journey. Stress less, weigh less. Stress is not just bad for your mental health, it can also sabotage your weight loss efforts. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which, as we learned earlier, can contribute to fat storage. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, or pursuing hobbies you enjoy. Conclusion: start today, see results tomorrow. Losing fat fast and effectively is achievable with the right combination of diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Remember, consistency is key. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. So start today, stay consistent, and get ready to see amazing transformations in your body and your life.